How quickly can VIG configure a safety crossover? Here's the finished product. Now let's configure in 3, 2, 1. Every configuration begins with a 3-foot by 3-foot industrial work platform. Let's add stairs. Bolt hole patterns allow any component to be attached to any side. Next, a ladder. Handrails are added. Components can be bolt-on or removable for endless configurations. Just like that, our 3-step crossover is designed. We will create multiple perspective and plan view drawings of your final configuration. Crossover systems are in stock and ready to ship. Save money on engineering and custom fabrication. Modular design allows unlimited configurations. We can make this, or this, or this in minutes and email you a quote with drawings.